Hello students, in the today's session I execute one more Android journal program. That program name is Illustrate using of audio functions in Android. First go to the file, go to the new and select here new project. Go to the empty activity and go to the next. Here I change the application name. My application name is Audio Demo. Then go to the finish. So here processing is running. Wait for some time. Okay. This is our main GUI. This is our main GUI. First of all, I take here one text view and I change here text and I give here text value is audio player, and here I take three buttons. Button 1 is start, button 2nd is pause, and button 3rd is stop. Okay. When you click button 1, the audio is start, and when you click button 2nd, the audio is pause, and when you click button 3rd, the audio is stop. So here I start the design. I take here one text. And here I change the text. I give here audio player. And here I change the text size. Text size is 30. Then here I take three buttons. Button 1 is start. Here button 1 is ID is button. I change here text. Button 1 is start. Again I take one button. This is our button 2nd, and here ID is button 2nd. And here I change the text. Here I give the text is pause. Again I take one button, and here the button ID is button 3, and change here I text. Text is stop. Okay. Go to the infer. So here when you click the button 1, the audio will be start, and when you click the button 2nd, the audio will be pause, and when you click the button 3rd, the audio will be stop. So here go to the main activity.java. So here our already here imports are there. Then here public class. Here our class name is main activity. I start the write code here. Implements implements view dot on click listener. So here view dot on click listener interface has an on click view method that is called when the view component is clicked. The code for a component functionality is written inside this method, and the listener is set using the set on click listener method. So here implement the method and go to the OK. So here implement our again one more input. Then here button B1, B2 and B3. Here B1, B2, B3 is the object of button, and here I take one media player, and here MP is the object of media player. Then on create method B1 is equal to find view by ID R dot ID dot button. So here B1 is the object of button find view by ID, which finds a view object given its ID number. So here R dot ID dot button. You see here the button 1 is ID is button. Next B2 is equal to find view by ID R dot ID dot button second. So here button second is ID is button second. So here I take button second. Same way here B3 is the object of button. B3 is equal to find view by ID R dot ID dot button 3. So here button 3 ID is button 3. Then B1 dot set on click listener, here I pass this. Set on click listener, this it can be handle the event. Most usable method in Android is set on click listener method, which help us to link a listener with certain attributes. And here this is it can be handle the event. Same way here B2 dot set on click listener, here I pass this. Again B3 dot set on click listener, here I pass this. So here MP is equal to media player dot create. Here our class name is main activity. Main activity dot this comma R dot draw dot hum suffer. Okay, so here MP is the object of media player, is equal to media player dot create context. Here main activity is our class name dot this r dot raw dot humsuffer. So here I create here one more folder. That folder name is raw. I tell you how to create this folder. Then in on click, if in bracket v dot get id is equal to b1 dot get id. Here MP is the object of media player, MP dot start. Else if in bracket v dot get id is equal to b2 dot get id in bracket MP dot pause, or else MP dot stop. So here if v dot get id is equal to b1 dot get id. So here once the get id to the button 1, the audio will be start. Else if v dot get id is equal to b2 dot get id. When you get the id of button 2, then audio will be pause or else stop. Okay. Now here I tell you how to create the raw folder. So here I create the folder. First go to the app, go to the resource, right click here, go to the new, go to the folder and go to the res folder. So here select the change folder location. So here you click the change folder location. Then here new folder location is resource main res. Here you write raw. Then go to the finish. So here in resource you see here raw folder is created. Okay. I copy the audio file in C drive and paste it in raw folder. So here my audio file name is humsuffer.mp3. Then go to the OK. So here our raw folder is created. I execute this code. So here my application name is audio demo. So here when I click the button start, the audio will be start, and when I click the button pause, the audio will be pause. Again when I click the button start, the audio will be start, when I click the button stop, the audio will be stopped. Okay, like that you execute the code. Thank you.